Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is about Ayub Khan era, the period of Ayub Khan, which is from 1958 to 69. So when was the martial law imposed in our country? In 1958. General Ayub Khan deposed Iskandar Mirza in October 1958, and he imposed martial law and justified his action on some grounds. Some important causes of martial law. Number one, political conflict. Political conflict, the disagreement between the political leaders after the establishment of Pakistan, conflict of power gave birth to grouping in the Muslim League. Poor economic conditions. Political instability and poor economic situation were prevailing in the country despite being an agricultural country. The country experienced a food shortage. Pakistan is an agricultural country, but still we have been experienced a food shortage, and this is the worst economic conditions. The economic situation was so poor that in some areas famine-like situation arose. कहत पड़ गया था उस ज़माने में, जबकि पाकिस्तान एक एग्रीकल्चरल कंट्री है उसके बावजूद. So this was the poor economic conditions in our country. Another cause of martial law is lack of political leadership. You know that Pakistan lost his capable political leadership after the death of Quaid-e-Azam and Liaquat Ali Khan. So such people got the control of the country as could neither build national unity among people and nor solve the problems of the people. Smuggling and nepotism. Some other causes of martial law included smuggling, black marketing, nepotism, and obtainment of undue privileges. No one was there to solve the problems of the people. Role of bureaucracy. Bureaucracy manifested the most irresponsible attitude and played its role in failing democracy in the country. Ayub Khan's politics. Politicians were involved in pulling legs of each other, so there was political instability in the country. In these circumstances, General Ayub Khan included General Ayub Khan as defense minister in the cabinet. Provincial prejudices. Thriving provincial prejudices also resulted in the imposition of martial law. Politicians, without caring for national security, instigated the public sentiments. The people of the same country looked displeased with one another. On the other hand, the ruling class paid no attention to stop this dangerous trend. Political instability. 6 cabinets were formed by 2 governor generals from 1953 to 58. Delay in elections. No general elections were held in first 11 years of Pakistan. Elections were held only in provinces, but after the Constitution of 1956 was passed, it was hoped that general election would be held within 1 year, but it could not be done just because of Ayub Khan's martial law.